Hey man, that's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
Skydiving.
You are skydiving. That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to skydive?
Impromptu decisions.
Just
Just cause.
Looking for a good time?
Oh,
You're gonna find it, I promise.
yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah,
Are you nervous?
a little bit about that plane. Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding. Good. That way it's not just me.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get in this plane, go up to 16,000 feet, jump out to 120 miles an hour. Before we do you have any famous last words, final confessions for any friends or family?
No. Everything goes to my brother.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
He's clean. He's good to go. You're not gonna need those last words, man. We're coming back. Let's go have some fun. All right, Evan, you ready?
What'd you think? It was great. I loved it.
Nice. So this is my office. It has the best view. Pull that right side down towards your feet. How do you feel?
It was great.
You like it?
Loved it.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah, not today.
Yeah, you said
Yeah.
not today. Careful, that's how we get you, bud. Thanks for skydiving with this Skydive Colorado Springs.